we would like to inform the public that, like other years, this year also held a talent search exam among the students of class 10 for offering brief course especially for science stream, so that during the vacation period students can acquire knowledges and students can stay busy. Today we have gathered here especially for congratulate them who have passed in the talent search exam, and especially we appreciate Mr. Saidul Islam. We are very glad to inform you that Mr. Saidul Islam is one of the most intelligent student of National Academy of Education who has passed JEE Mains exam with 97.02 percentile. We are very glad for his bright success and wished his bright future. Moreover, we mentioned in this time that in the National Academy of Education, like other years, this year also superintendent examination will be held in the first week of April month 2025. So we request all the students to appear in the exam, so that the benefits of the superintendent exam is National Academy of Education provides 10 super students totally free education, so that they can acquire free education from National Academy of Education. Moreover, BPL category students are specially given preference. And third number is, if some students selected in the superintendent exam but unable to secure less than 85% marks, then they have been given a special discount. And benefit facilities of National Academy of Education. There are separate hostel facilities in National Academy of Education, including 2 boys hostels and 1 girls hostels. Moreover, National Academy of Education provides quality-based education among the students by experienced faculties. Moreover, all the school campus and hostel campus are surrounded by CCTV camera.